Hi, Utkarsh and I'm from All Rounders, and today we are playing Minecraft Pocket Edition. And this is my castle review. Okay, this is a place where I live in Minecraft. You can see it's pretty nice in survival mode. And yes, this is Rails, which is of course incomplete and over there. I have to complete it. I'll post my next video on that. Okay, and this is my castle, as you can see, pretty big. And one more thing I have to say you, this is protected, means you're, if you're living in this such type of house, you are 100% protected from mobs and all, except mostly spiders are very harmful to these place because they can climb almost anywhere. So as you can see, oh okay, as you can see, it's already night time, and you can see mobs started coming. So we'll uh, just lower the difficulty because of making these videos and regain some health. So I'll be going inside right now and just you see, give you my castle review. So I'll not say house because this is not house, this is castle. So just close the door for safety because we'll go up there and I'll show you why it is so secured. So first we'll start from here. This is my main room or entrance or hall, you say. Here some chests are there with, but not too many things, a little bit things you can see here. It's not too many things, minecart really. Okay, gunpowder and all. I'm i'm developing little bit. You see redstone and etc. So okay, just wait. Okay, so nothing else in these empty chests, these all are empty chests. And this is my fireplace, of course coal here, but I don't have flint and steel right now, so I have to dig up. And I have iron, but I don't have another necessary things for here. Okay, let's go in the second floor. And okay, let's just go to the second floor. Second floor is pretty nice. It's yes, you can say it's my bedroom with only one bed and nice up looking view, of course, while you're sleeping. But yeah, it's nice. Okay, so okay, you'll be wondering what are these things for, but I'll just come back to it. Let's go down right now, and I'll just show you from the outside again so you can understand nicely. Okay, this is, I don't know how the sheep came here. Just let it okay, wait. Okay, so as you can see from here, there are one, your whole one, then here two, and there is one right there, and another one. So there are actually four towers, and I'll just say you show you what's the other. There's another one. They are very useful to this home because this is 100% secured home. And just let us get in this. And yes guys, this build was not my idea. It was a guy from YouTube. I forgot his name, otherwise I would have mentioned it. And the sheep just came inside my home. Okay, sorry. Okay, anyway, so now I'll these all towers are connected to each other, as you can see, through these walls. And that was the second tower which I just entered, and this is the third, and this is the fourth. So each tower has a ladder like this. Over there also it has, of course. Wait, yeah, here. And each tower has its own ladder. So I'll just go in the second floor right yet again, and this is the tower right here. Okay, so these towers are really useful while sniping mobs, and if you're playing, of course, online with your friends, it will be very useful, of course, if they're trying to kill you. And yes, let's go here. And as you can see here, my bed, of course, I said you, I'll come back to it. So these are the uh, place from where you can get a nice view of all the sides. Just see, yeah, it's pretty nice view. And just get down, and these are the another tower. I'll go in the third floor soon. Sorry. Okay, and here the another view and another tower here and another. And you'll be wondering what is in this chest, so just you can guess it out that it is 100% secure tower or house. So in this is the things for sniping, of course. So I'll just use and I'll just you know okay, now as you can see, I'm not really good at sniping, but just I'll try to. Okay, so I just imagine there are your friends or any mob which will come to attack you. So if you want to protect yourself, just attack them like this and they'll die soon. Sorry, that was, I'm really bad at pointing, guys. Stop it, glitchy game. Wait. Okay, I'll just try to kill at least one skill. Okay, there it goes. Just keep these things back for safety, of course, for the next time. And each chest has its own bone arrows, of course, for each place, as you can see here. And most of the chest has four of them, of course, as you can see here. Nice view of uh, okay, so I'll just try to kill, because I don't want my things to be stolen as a big stealers here. Such a big stealer, if he'll not really. No, really, you can't even enter my house. What you'll do? Just get. Oh, what is this? Really, this guy? Will he just not? Just he should not come in my home. Uh, is he even here? No, he's not here. Okay. Uh, no, what? No need. I'm just dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. That's okay, guys. That was not it, because he's not even. So, it's secure, but not with this guy, of course. He's just too powerful to get in my house and uh, spider really. So, guys, I'm feeling like hell right now. But of course, it's protected nicely because you can just snipe each other. No, no, just wait, guys. I'll just. So I was just feeling. I just felt really bad there, guys, because I thought it is 100% protected, but while making a video only, I just uh got some points. Oh, can I just take that back? By mistake, it was okay anyway. While making a video only, I came to know that it is not 100% protected. Okay, anyway, just leave it. Spider and Eldermans are only dangerous to this, otherwise nothing else can break it. Not even your friends, unless they use TNT, of course. And yes, okay, I forgot. Almost I forgot. I have to show the third floor to you guys. So I'll just okay, I'll just keep these back in the chest and get go to the first third floor, of course. Wait, sorry, second floor. I'm saying this is the first floor. So second floor is yes, you guess it's the same like archer towers and all, good for sniping. And this is a bit higher and has a more wide range of view, and you can snipe pretty easily through here. And yes, it is better from shooting from here. Just uh, and yeah, but aiming will be a bit tougher here. I'll just let's see if any mobs will just spawn right now, uh, because it's already morning and I have sorry, while recording I have already spent one night's recording this, sorry, Minecraft night, not of course real night. So I don't see any mobs right now, and that pig is too far to kill. So I'll just try to see uh an animal at least to kill. I don't know. And yes, each chest have their own bone. Okay, here they are. So I'll just try to bow them and kill them through here. I don't know, not sure if really. Wait, sheep. As you can see, guys, sheep died, just died. Wait, it's time for the mother pig. Wait, I ran out of bows, really. Okay, wait, I'll just take one, two. Okay, I'll just take two of them. And the pig. Okay, pig, pig, really, you're gone, are you? No, no. Okay, come back. And yes, there is another, you can't say floor, but it's a tower only, the most upper part of the tower. It's pretty nice to shoot from here because you are not of course congested. It's not congested. Escaped, guys. So I am not trapped here because I don't want to break these things. I'll just try some Spider-Man tricks, you see, guys. Okay, I'll just try some Spider-Man techniques right here. Great Spider-Man techniques. Okay, so guys, this was my house review or castle review, of course, and I'll be making those rails soon. I'll be completing them, and this took me about solid 30 days of Minecraft build and day and night. Of course, it took me solid 30 days of Minecraft. It's a huge build. It is far harder to build than it seems. So guys, yes, and of course this was my house review, and thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. And of course, if you're a struggling YouTuber like us, as always I say, if you're a struggling YouTuber like us, you can contact us in our Gmail, which will be given in the descriptions given below, and you can contact us in our Gmail. And of course, if you're a struggling YouTuber like us again, then we'll just write us an email about that and contact us in our Gmail, and we'll contact you back through Gmail only. And of course, we will try to record a video, gameplay video, of course, with you, and we'll promote your channel in our channel by recording the gameplay. And of course, you of course will take something back from you. So of course, you will record your channel too, via gaming video channels, of course, and you'll record our gameplay and we'll record your gameplay and promote your channel in our channel, and you will promote our channel in your channel. So it will help each other to grow up, you see. So we, like this, we can help each other to grow up. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, that was really bad because after saying thank you for watching this video, I'm starting. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching this video, and of course, if you liked our video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and of course comment for any suggestions or anything. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.